Welcome to our Christmas market. We're a family farm, mom and dad and 10 kids. 7 of us work here, and we put this market together. Fresh, locally grown Christmas trees here. Fraser firs, Scotch pines, and balsam firs.
Hi, this is Papa's Woodcraft, and Papa takes pride in making handmade children's wooden toys. All naturally finished, sanded, and all done by hand.
Here we have Eric. Would you like to give a word about your chocolate?
Sure.
DeBar Chocolate is a bean to bar chocolate making company based in Uxbridge, Ontario. We've been making chocolate for about 6 or 7 years now, and we're thrilled to be here at the Niemi Christmas Market. We've got all of our favorite selections from flavored bars to single origin bars from 6 different countries around the world.
Oh, hi, how are you? Drew from Hertberry Farm, local seed to bottle hot sauce company. Glad to see you. Hope everybody comes down to Niemi Family Farm today for the amazing holiday market. We'll be here every Saturday up to Christmas from 11 to 7 p.m.
There's some bath salts, beautiful handmade trees. Something for everyone for Christmas. And we can't have a Christmas market without our Christmas gnomes.
We got everything from gift baskets to teacher gifts. We got decor items, and we even got stocking stuffers.
Well, all of our products are handcrafted, and they are designed to honor the magic in you. So everything is unique, just like you are.
Alrighty, we got homemade goodness here with beautiful natural skin products and hair products. All natural. Beautiful Christmas specials.
Well, everything is handmade, as you can see. All the snowmen are made out of cedar.
Upcycled cedar posts. It is shop here locally in Uxbridge.
And the smell is fabulous.
Yeah. Scarves are all upcycled materials as well.
Get your warm and cuddly stuffies at SQ Stitches.
We got Jenny Mouse here who has published a book about the brain. She's out of her booth, but she will be back. At Niemi's, we're known for our sugar donuts. Baked fresh today. Ooh, we have some fresh cinnamon twist and some almond vanilla twist. Baked here on the farm.
Welcome to Digging Up Bones, where you can find your favorite pumpkin cupcakes for your Furby friends. And then we have the Crazy Quiller. You can get some beautiful handmade ornaments, all made with paper.
Hi, I'm Carrie and I'm the creator and owner behind Green Guac. We are a sustainable alternative to your single-use plastics and reduce your waste with reusables.
Hi there, we've got all kinds of great products from our hive. We're local beekeepers from Keswick, and we've got all kinds of honeys and handcrafted beeswax products.
Hi Mark, what do we have here?
Hi, I'm Mark with Brainy Games. I'm your local merchant of fun, and I make all sorts of laser cut board games, family games, puzzles, brain teasers, all sorts of fun things for your family.
Jennifer, why should we buy one of your hats or headbands?
Well, they're all handmade, they're trendy, modern, and they're going to keep your head warm all winter.
I'm Samantha DeGus. We're a husband and wife team, and we do handcrafted woodworking and wood burning, and we do custom pet portraits as well as displays. I've got one of a cottage that I've done, so it's just a nice keepsake.
Just yeah, mobile pizza wagon. Really happy to be at Niemi Family Farm for the Christmas market.
Hi, I'm Danielle. This is the Duchess of Suds. We're an all-natural soap and bath product company.
So come along with me. We have little huts here, and this is a gnome hut. These are doorstopper gnomes. You can use them outdoors to decorate. They're very Scandinavian.
J2! This is Doggone Gear. We sell cute gear for all dogs of all sizes.
Hi Kim, what do we have here?
Got a bunch of charcuterie boards, some epoxy boards, all locally made by myself here in Mount Albert.
Hey, we're Chuckleberry, based out of Toronto. We're a sauce company, but we do more than that. We also have cheesecakes in a jar.
All the happy customers. There's so many. Everybody comes here. They are happy and in a Christmas spirit, and just awesome.